Thank God it's a Thursday. Ito po ang September 16, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 100 days na lang, Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Aboitiz Power, kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-16 ng Setyembre 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's start with our financial news. By the way, I would like to apologize yesterday nga pala, no, kung medyo maingay. Nasa off-site po ako, no, nasa barangay po kasi ako eh. And I had a transaction there na naabutan po ng lunchtime. So ginawa ko po yung vlog ko doon sa isang akala ko ay quiet area. Ayun pala ay maraming ambient sounds, no? So may apologies po, pero malinaw naman po ang dating ko, at least, no, nung ine-edit ko po yung video ay malinaw naman po, but I apologize po to the other ambient noises. Anyway, ito pong ating financial headlines ngayon. Cash remittances rose 2.5% in July. Philippines raises $866 million from retail dollar bond offering. So meron po siyang 5 years na ang coupon rate is 1.375 at 10 years na 2.25%. Ngayon po, quarterly po ang bigay ng dividendo nito, parang peso din po. And I think this is a better option than the bank's dollar time deposits, no? Kasi mas mataas pa ang bigay nito eh. And the rate is also comparable with the T-bills rate, no? Kung compared to the 90-day rate ay ganun din eh, mga 1.6% lang po yun eh. Ito dollars 1.375. Yun nga lang, you are tied up with your cash for 5 or 10 years, no? Depending po kung ano pong kinuha ninyo. But if you have extra cash po na dollars, this is a good option po. Almost risk-free because this is guaranteed by the Philippine government. Okay, so you have to contact your local bank if you are interested in investing in this, no? Kasi up to ang offer period is up to October 1, I think, no? October 1 and October 6 is the settlement date. Kaya pwede na pa kayo mag-reserve. Contact your favorite local bank. Okay? So the next is a sectoral news. This is our main news, no? AP wins power supply deal in Pampanga. And then we have MONDE puts sustainability at the forefront, and AC plan notes issue and tender offer. So let's now go to our main news is Aboitiz. Let's go to Philippine Star. Aboitiz Power bags power supply deal in Pampanga. Aboitiz Power Corp has bagged a contract to supply 40 megawatts of renewable energy to a power co-op in Pampanga for 10 years. Under the power supply agreement signed in July, Aboitiz Power will supply Pampanga Electric Cooperative 2 or PELCO 2 with 40 megawatts of clean energy from the Tiwi Macban geothermal power plants operated by AP Renewables in the provinces of Laguna, Batangas, and Albay. This partnership reinforces Aboitiz Power's role in promoting the use of renewable energy in the country as we strive to provide reliable power supply and integrate environmental stewardship in our operations. It is through this support and trust of partners like Pelco 2 that Aboitiz Power is able to fulfill its mission of advancing business and communities and live up to its promise of being a pillar of inclusive growth for the country. APRI President and COO Dennis Jordan said the 10-year PSA was secured through a competitive selection process conducted by Pelco 2 for its renewable energy requirements and help support its mission to provide reasonable energy rate and deliver the best possible service towards member consumer satisfaction. Aboitiz Power emerged as a chosen energy supplier in the CSP that lasted 4 months. The CSP is aligned with the Department of Energy's goal of upholding clear, transparent, and fair energy procurement process by various players. Okay, so that's our main news for the day. And now let's go to the happenings of the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI gained 88.23 points, 1.28% up, and it is still bullish as our indicators are under the candlestick. RSI is bullish at 60.27. So mukhang nagta-taper off po siya. The 7,000 appears to be the resistance level. 7,000, no? 7,000 po siya. Yan po yung pinaka-resistance level po ni Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ngayon po yung ating market summary naman. 103 companies advanced, 90 declined, while 47 remained unchanged. The all-share index advanced by 1.07%. All the sectoral indices are up, led by the industrials at it is led by the services at 2.41, followed by properties at 2.2%. On the market status, of course, we'll be reviewing the stocks which figured in our news. So that's AP, MONDE, AC, and then we'll be including ACEN, Converge, Glow, ICT, and Emperador. So now let's go to our first stock, that's AP, Aboitiz Power. Wow, look at that, Aboitiz Power, nagsasurge siya, and looks like this is a breakout of sorts, no? Because this is already the second day. Our indicators are under the candlestick. So tingnan nga natin kung nasaan yung resistance niya. Okay, based on a 1-week chart, the nearest resistance is 33.30 to 33.40. But this is already resistance level, no, in 3160 based on a 1-week chart. Balik natin sa 1 day. So it's surging with support at this area here at 28.90 to 29 pesos. RSI is overbought at 76. Now, Monde, nag-decline itong si Monde, ended with a doji, but it had 2 successive surges in the previous days, no? Nung Tuesday and Wednesday, now ending with a doji, but I think this is just probably consolidating. Now, yung ating mga indicators are under the candlesticks. So yung ating short term, yung 20-day, yung orange line po, at yung medium term, the 50-day, are both under the candlesticks, which makes the stock bullish with support here at 1760. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. RSI is bullish, however, naka-overbought na po ito tingnan na po natin ang DMI. Okay, DMI is still below 30, so there is no directional trend yet based on our indicator, but it's 27 is already approaching 30, ano po? So, maaring sabihin natin na yung RSI na 73 ay maaring mag-reverse po yung trend dahil overbought na po ang stock. And then Ayala Corporation. Yan, Ayala Corporation is just consolidating. However, the stock appears to be bullish. RSI is bullish at 62. So nagkaroon po siya ng consolidation dito which started April 8. And since our indicators are under the candlestick, the stock is bullish. The next resistance ay nasa 3 or 831 to 832 level. Tingnan naman natin si ACEN. Yan, ACEN also is bullish, and tulad nga po ng sinasabi ko whenever we review this stock, this setup is an indication of a definite bullish trend. So kung titingnan nyo po yung DMI niyan, napakataas po. Yan, no, nasa 37. Actually, hindi naman super taas, but it's over 30, which would indicate a definite upward trend. RSI is also bullish at 71. Now, 10.56, ito yung high of today, is the highest of the stock, price of the stock so far, and support, I see it here at 9.95. And then Converge. Yan, si Converge continues to move upwards. Tingnan na natin si DMI. Okay, DMI is 65, so there is a definite trend on Converge. So even though the RSI is above 70, our indicator is saying that the bullish trend will continue. So yung nearest support po niya is at 31.90, but I cannot plot the resistance since this is already the highest that the stock had achieved so far. Glow is our next stock. Bullish din tong si Glow eh. Okay, appears to be consolidating, but it ended at 3,200 today, gaining 160 points. So the stock is actually bullish. Support is here, nearest po, no, 27.10. However, I think this is already the high, the 52-week high. Let's take a look at the 1 week. Kahit yung mga previous pre-pandemic po ay hindi po siya ganito kataas, ano? Ngayon lang po siya tumaas ng ganito. So this is already the highest price that the stock had have had in so many years. So hindi niya po na-achieve yan in the previous years, ano po? Ngayon lang po niya nahihit ito. So RSI is also bullish at 75, but if we'll take a look at the DMI, if it is above 30, yes, it's 48. And then it doesn't really matter whether the RSI is overbought. It just tells you that the trend, the upward trend will continue. And then ICT, another good stock is ICT. Yan, ICT is also bullish. Similar to ACEN po ito at Converge, ano po, na yung ating indicators are all under the candlesticks. RSI is also bullish at 61, and this is already the highest so far that the stock has achieved. Support nearest po ay nandito, 185 po ang nearest support niya. And then Emperador. Yan, Emperador is also moving upwards, and yung ating trend there is a definite trend based on our moving averages. RSI is also bullish at 70. Tignan naman natin ang DMI kung nasaan siya. Okay, 37, so there is a definite trend. In the meantime, the nearest support of Emperador is here at 16.98 or 17 pesos po ang nearest support ni Emperador. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market September 16, 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro, reminding you, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli. God bless and bye for now.